Hello, my name is Aroa. I am 7. I live in Friuli with my parents and pets, 2 dogs and 2 cats.
There's somebody I'm longing to see. I hope that he turns out to be someone who watch over me. I'm a little lamb that's lost in the woods.
This is my cat, Mitzi. Look, one eye is blue and the other one is green. Provi, this is my friend Mitzi. Mitzi, this is my friend Provi. Best friend forever.
Though he may not.
I live in the countryside. Look.
Some girls think I'm as handsome to my heart.
I love
He
you.
carries the
This is my house. I love music. I play the piano. Winter is coming. Look at my fireplace. I love doing gymnastics. I hope you like it. Bye bye, friends.